Hi everyone, my name is Andrei Delinok. I am CEO and founder of fintech startup CartaMe from Belarus. At the moment, we are participants of Raise Capital program from FasterCapital. At the first 2 months of our collaboration, our partners at FasterCapital helped us prepare a lot of material to help potential investors better understand our solution. We received a lot of very good advice from the company, as well as a lot of questions. Their quality and depth speaks to a serious approach. We have answered the question and advice and written, which, in our opinion, can help an investors quickly and deeply understand our value and make an informed decision. Also, at this point, we have not reached our goal of attraction investment, but we are very satisfied with the highly professional approach that FasterCapital is implementing. And our chance of success are indeed getting better. Thanks for Faisal Hames and the all FasterCapital team for a great preparatory work. I wish us all success in attracting partners and investments. Thank you guys.